Hello guys, as part of the promise where I make a video every time I get stuck on something, whether that be web design, SEO, using Elementor, bricks builder, whatever in WordPress, because it always happens, I'm promising you where I make the video where I found the solution. So here's the next one where I couldn't get JetSmartFilters to work properly. On this occasion it was with the Elementor Pro Loop Grid, but it's also even if you're using the Jet products grid or even the standard products grid like the WordPress one. Okay, so let's jump in and show you the fix. So here we are in the back end of WordPress and Elementor in the page builder, and here I've got a JetSmartFilter. This is the check range filter which is applying it on these products. So there's a few things that you need to do. So firstly, you need to make sure whatever loop grid you're using or products grid, whatever it is, you select that from this drop down here. So in my case, I'm using the Elementor Pro Loop Grid. And then as you can see here, like that is what I'm using. So that's step one. Step two is, leave it as Ajax, apply and value change, that's fine. All these settings, you can copy these, they're absolutely fine. Just leave it as default basically. But the important bit is that you tell those filters what to point at. So even though you've selected Elementor Pro Loop Grid, you need to write that here in the query ID. So just copy and paste that over and then it will work. So that was winding me up. Spent ages on it. But that's all you need to do. So yeah, whatever grid you've got here, just choose that. There's all the options there, even the JetWoo products grid, as I mentioned. Hit save, publish, and then it'll pull through and it'll work fine. So yeah, I hope that helps. I mean, it's great your comments on the other videos. It's nice to know that I'm helping people. The amount of YouTube videos that I've watched where people have saved me, where I've been digging for hours and I've found just one nugget of information has been brilliant. So I promise to give back when I find little solutions like this. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed it and stay tuned for more.